Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of 2-ethyl and 1-butanol and its properties. The PubChem ID of this molecule is 7358. The molecular formula is C6H14O. The weight of this molecule is 102.17. I can take a pen to mark them out. Yes. This molecule has 0 degrees of unsaturation. There are 20 sigma bonds and 0 pi bonds. If we talk about the functional group of this molecule, we can determine that it has a primary alcohol. It is a liquid at its physical state is a liquid at room temperature. There are 4 unique carbons and 5 unique sets of hydrogen. The low number of lone pair is 2. The uniqueness set of this molecule is shown here. Let me change my color. So the first number indicates the number of unique carbons. The second number indicates the number of unique hydrogen sets. And in the parentheses, we have the hydrogen set ratio. Now let's talk about the hybridization. 2-ethyl 1-butanol has 6 sp3 hybridization. There are 0 carbons with sp2 hybridization and 0 carbons with sp hybridization. The heteroatoms, there is only one heteroatom, which is oxygen. If you have to classify the groups, there are 2 methyl groups, CH3, 3 ethyl groups, CH2, and 1 CH group. There are no carbons without any oxygen. There are no carbons without any hydrogen. For the next slide, we will talk about the structure of this molecule. So you can start by making the structure. The black ones are the carbon, the white ones are the hydrogen, and the red ones are the oxygen. First, we can make the linear structure of the carbon. So one carbon, the second carbon, the third carbon, and the fourth carbon. The oxygen is in the first carbon, joined to the first carbon, and there is an ethyl group joined to the second carbon. We can start by joining our hydrogens. The oxygen gets 1. The carbon attached to the oxygen gets 2. The ethyl groups the remaining ones go here. I think one more is needed, and it is here. So yeah, this is the structure of 2-ethyl 1-butanol. Thank you.